And believe me, with every step, he not just excelled, he made the people around him excel even more. My inspiration, my student, and his legacy. Mayank Mandot Sir.
Hello everyone.
I would like to give special thanks to Mayank Tutorials, to all the faculty, teachers, everybody, and to my family, to my mama, to my daddy. Hello! I would like to thank everybody present here and to all the people who believed me. I'm super duper grateful. Thank you so much.
Good place and a place where I found the sweetest teachers.
We are the dreamers, we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah.
My only advice is, the fruit you see in the end makes the journey completely worth it.
You have to build a moat. You cannot just be an engineer. You have to be an engineer who knows about design. You have to be a doctor who knows about AI. You have to be a film director who knows about GPU, compute, animation. Because once you know that, आपके पास एक undue advantage है जो बाकी किसी के पास नहीं है. And you have to start connecting those dots.
We are the dreamers, we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Let's do the one.
चिराग सर, he always said, बच्ची लास्ट एग्जाम में सिक्सर मारना है, बाकी जो होगा देखा जाएगा.